How to unblock someone on Reddit. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply click on Reddit. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on down right side profile. Once we click on that, here you guys will see on top right corner three lines. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see settings. So simply click on settings. Once we click here you guys will see account settings for you. So simply click on that. Once we click here you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see switch accounts, but we will simply scroll. Here you guys can see in safety managed blocked accounts. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see all the accounts that you blocked, and with these accounts you guys will see unblock button. So simply click on unblock, and once we click on unblock, that account will be unblocked. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.